Hello everyone, this is Manoj, and in this video we are going to learn about React portals. A React portal provides a way to render an element outside of its component hierarchy, for example in a separate component. The portals were introduced in React 16.0 version. Go back to VS Code, and if I open this index.html, so in the body we have a div with the ID root. So far we were having one DOM element, which is this, and we were mounting our React application in this element only. It is the same convention to have a div element with the ID of root to be used as the root DOM element. And if I go back to browser and if I open the developer tools, you see we mount our app component into our root element. If you see, this is the root, and inside this we have our app element. All right. So basically, React portals provide us the ability to break out this DOM tree and render a component onto a DOM that is not under our root element. Again, doing so breaks the convention where a component needs to be rendered as a new element and follow a parent-child hierarchy. But we commonly use this in model dialog boxes, hover cards, loader, and pop-up messages. Let me show you an example how to use portals. So inside this index.html, let me create a new div with the ID portals. Save. Now in the component folder, let's create a new file, portal component.js, and import React from React. Also import React DOM from React DOM. Now function portal component and export default portal component, and inside this functional component let's return react dom dot create portal, and inside this simply use this as portal example, and the second element it will take the element where you want to render it. So document dot get element by id, and we have to give the same id which we give over here. So let me copy this and paste it over here. Save. In the app.js, import portal component from component portal components. Let's copy this and let's use this portal component. Save. Now go back to browser. So this is the portal example. The text has been rendered. Now let's expand this body. And if you see this, we have two divs. So we have a root, we have a portal. So this is how you can break your DOM tree and you can render your elements outside of your root element. All right. So basically, portals provide a first-class option to render children into a DOM node that exists outside of the parent component. Same way we did it over here. This portal is outside of this root element. Again, portals are very useful when we want to render components, but our parent has a hidden overflow or a defined width or height. All right. Again, Models are an ideal example. So this is how you can use your portal, and you can render your UI inside a portal element, which is again outside of this root element. All right. Now I hope you have a clear idea how to create, how to use, and how to render your JSX part inside a portal. All right. So in the next video, I will talk about higher order components. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.